So, it's finally summer, and that means a couple things. Lots of fireworks, and lots of barbecues. Today we celebrate grill season, make these absolutely delicious cheddar bacon burgers happen with the help of a sponsor, Westminster Cheddar Cheese. So let's just jump right into them. We're gonna start by prepping our burger mix. So take out a large bowl, and first add into it 1 pound of either lean ground beef or turkey. Today I'm using ground turkey. Also, if you want more, you can easily just double or triple the recipe. Now follow that, 1 large whole egg, 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of either bacon bits or a couple slices of broken up pre-cooked bacon. 2 ounces of this Westminster rustic red cheddar cheese. You can either chop it into chunks or grate it like this. You could also use any of their other cheddars like Farmer's Reserve, Sharp, and so on. I'll throw a link below if you want to check them out. Continue with 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a couple squirts of some chili sauce, which is optional to add some heat to them, and a little salt and pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together until it looks like this, then shape your burgers, making them however big you want them. Once you've shaped them all, head over to either your stovetop pan or outside your grill. Turn your burners on medium heat. Throw on some cooking spray, cook each side for around 5 minutes or until your internal temperature is at least 160 for ground beef and 165 for ground turkey. A couple minutes before they're done, you could grate some cheese on top of them if you like cheese on your burger, then pull them off the heat once it melts. Last, add on your toppings and devour it. Before we end this, and I get to eat what you just saw, which makes this the hardest part of the video to film. What are your 2 favorite toppings on a burger if you had to choose? Mine are cheese and a fried egg. Let me know yours in the comments below. Now speaking of cheese, don't forget to check out the sponsor of this video, Westminster, below and show them some love. Seriously delicious cheese that's been around forever and is widely available at a ton of places, which they list on their website. With that, thank you guys for watching. Smack that thumbs up button for some more grill recipes. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. And of course, stay healthy. If you don't want to like the video for me, like it for her.